Welcome everybody. This is an introduction to the course of English Grammar 2. I will be giving you an overview of how we're going to be working in this course. It's important to review the course objectives. There are more in the syllabus, but I have selected these three. At the end of this course, you will be able to identify the role of grammar forms in contextualized settings. You will be also able to create your own sentences and analyze those sentences. So this is how it will work. Uh, in a week, you will create your sentences based on something you listen, on something you are watching. Then you will share those sentences with your other classmates. So the material that we will be analyzing is going to be created by you. I think it's important if we are able to do this, if we practice creating our own stuff. So let us see how it works. It's the first time I will be trying to work this way. So let us see what happens. The methodology. In the past, you used to meet your instructor on Saturdays, but now everything will move to the online format. So on Saturdays, we're going to have video conferences from 7 a.m. to 9:20 a.m. So that day, we can agree if we change a little bit to 7:30. But in our first interaction, I would like you to meet at 7 a.m. The communication channels, you can reach me out in the institutional mail, the internal mail on Moodle, the Moodle chat, and I will enable each week a question and answer forum thread. When am I gonna be responding your messages? I'll be doing my best to reply to you as soon as I get your message, but sometimes it will take me probably 24 hours after receiving your message, so I will really need you to be patient. But I mean, all in all, I'll be really fast at replying to your doubts. On weekends, well, we're gonna meet on Saturday, so that's the day that that you will be making most of your questions. On Sundays, I really need time, to breathe, and I think you need time to breathe as well. So we're gonna be taking Sundays off. The availability of class materials will be each Monday at 8 a.m. and I suggest you to come prepared for the video conference on Saturdays. There will be some videos, exercises, things to watch, things to read. So it's important that you get, the idea, a brief idea of what we will be talking in class on Saturday. In virtual settings, we need to talk about Netiquette, and I think you're very familiar with this concept because you have been working most of your major this way in virtual environment. But it's good just to remind us a little bit of Netiquette. Remember, this is a Catholic institution, and we have to be respectful about the philosophy of the system we are working in. We need to respect the dignity and privacy of each of us. Other things to consider, when we write, when we send emails, it's not appropriate that you all the time write with uppercase. Sometimes in writing, uppercase sounds a little bit rude. So just in case you're making a point on something, you can use uppercase. You will see all these rules in the syllabus, and we can also discuss them in our video conference this coming Saturday. Well, this is how the first period will look like. We start in July 18th and we finish on September 19th. The first period will be from July 18th to August 15th. And these are the topics that we will be studying in this period of time. I will upload a video about tag questions. In our class, in our video conference, we will be doing rejoinders and verbals as well as noun clauses. Yeah, the sources I will be using to create some of these sentences that we will be analyzing are podcasts, YouTube videos, pedagogical journals. And one topic that is very interesting and I think it fits our context is online behavior. So we will be studying a little bit of this. And this is how the evaluation system will look like. I'm sorry, I forgot to add during which week this will happen, but you have the dates on this side of the screen. 3 activities: a case scenario script, a video reflection, and a document analysis. I just want to be sincere with you, and it's the first time I work in the remote learning preface of the university. I've been used to working with the courses from Monday through Friday. So there may be things that I am not addressing, but I will really appreciate your help. So we will see and we will talk about it this coming Saturday. But in brief, this is how the semester will be in terms of the evaluation system. If you have any question, you already have my contact. I will add you in the platform as soon as I have access to it. So please do not hesitate about contacting me. Thanks for watching.